Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Shorthand Dictation from Daily Dawn newspaper 10th April 2024. Report by Irfan Aslam. Start. A low-cost, sustainable housing solution for flooded areas. Full stop. Severe effects of climate change and global warming hit Pakistan hard in the form of devastating floods in the recent years. Full stop. According to the National Disaster Management Authority (NDMA), floods damaged or destroyed more than 2.3 million homes in the country in 2022, while the situation was even worse in 2023. Full stop. Many of the people still have inadequate housing in affected areas, especially in the areas of Sindh and South Punjab. Full stop. An organization, Safe Delivery, Safe Mother (SDSM), in collaboration with Japanese architect Shigeru Ben, has come up with a plan to build and develop a low-cost and sustainable housing model for the people whose houses were destroyed by the floods. Full stop. Marin Shahid, the founder of the SDSM, having a background in welfare work in maternal health and family planning, is the project lead. Full stop. Her organization has done work in flood relief. Full stop. I visited Japan last year and we had discussions with Shigeru Ben. Full stop. His team sent us the design of a house for the flooded areas. Full stop. We did some customization in the Pakistani context in terms of available material and sourcing. Full stop. We had an understanding with Japanese architects that the material should be local and low cost, says Mahreen. Full stop. The brainstorming involving Japanese and Pakistani experts culminated in a design of a house built with paper tubes, bamboo, plastic crates and thatch. Full stop. The paper tubes have never been used in Pakistan before. Full stop. The entire structure stands on paper tubes, which has been treated to make them moisture and water resilient. Full stop. The walls have been made by bamboos, but we are flexible about the walls and changes can be made to them. Full stop. However, bamboo is more effective as they are low cost in our target areas, especially Sindh. Full stop. Mud can also be used on the walls and bamboo can be replaced, says Mahreen while explaining the design whose prototype has been made in Lahore. Full stop. When asked about the innovation part of the design, Mahreen points out that the main innovation having cost effectiveness is the structure made of paper tubes and bamboo. Full stop. We have put a layer of water resistant marine plywood on the floor and under the used plastic crates on the ground and made a foundation by filling sand in them. Full stop. The foundation has a spacing which lets the water go through it in case of a low flood so that it does not keep standing to damage the structure. Full stop. The roof is water resistant and contains plastic besides other material like thatch. Full stop. Each room has two windows. Full stop. All the material to be used in the house is local, comma, including the paper tubes, comma, marine plywood, comma, bamboos and thatch, full stop. Marine says that the Japanese architects, comma, led by Shigeru Ben, comma, tested the structure in Japan and it sustained the earthquake measuring 7 on the Richter scale, full stop. This design has already been used and tested in Manila, comma, Philippines, etc. Full stop. The height of the structure can also be increased according to the local needs, while size can also be increased, comma, she adds, full stop. Myrene and her team built a prototype to test the bamboo walls in the heavy rains, comma, claiming that they can keep the water out as the testing process proved, full stop. For any new design, the input from the local people who would use it is necessary, full stop. Marine claims that they have got the input of the local people at the start when the design was being discussed, full stop. Regarding the roof, comma, Marine says they have got input from the locals who also suggested that the mud can also be used on it, full stop. Bamboo is a commonly used material in Sindh and other flood areas, full stop. The actual new material for the people here is the paper tube, full stop. Our team will help the locals and train them to build it on their own, she explains, full stop. The SDSM has a plan to start the project in the flood hit areas of South Punjab as well as Sindh, including Dadu and Jamshoro, full stop. But initially they are planning to launch the project in Rajanpur district of South Punjab, full stop. It was one of the worst affected districts of the region, full stop.